Hi, we're Rumi and Zoey. If you like yoga with us, tap like and subscribe. Today, we're building balance, focus, and teamwork together in a fun partner flow. Stand with your backs gently touching and your feet grounded on the floor. Feel how your partner helps you find where the middle is. Lift your chest, lengthen through the top of your head, and keep your belly strong. You are standing still, but you are already working together. It's like two tall towers holding steady in the same breeze. Take one slow breath and feel balanced before you even begin moving. Turn to face each other and stand tall. Bring your palms together with your partner's palms right in front of your chest. Press gently, not too hard, and keep your shoulders relaxed. When you press evenly, both bodies wake up and stand stronger. Your feet stay rooted while your arms and chest feel active. It's like you are two strong doors helping each other stay open and steady. Stay facing each other and shift onto one foot. Lift the other knee up to about hip height. Now hold the balance and keep your hands reaching toward your partner or lightly touching. Try to stay tall instead of leaning too much. If you wobble, that just means your balance is practicing. You're like two flamingos finding stillness together in the middle of a pond. Stand facing each other and come into tree pose on one leg. Place your other foot on your ankle or calf, or higher if that feels steady. Now bend your arms and gently connect forearms with your partner. Keep your chest lifted and your eyes soft. This pose is all about trust, light contact, and quiet focus. You are like two trees growing side by side, helping each other stay tall in the wind. Turn back to back again and walk your feet a little forward. Bend your knees and lower into a chair shape together. Now lift your arms out wide to the sides like wings. Keep pressing gently into each other so neither person tips. Your legs work hard while your upper body stays open and light. It feels like two birds balancing on one strong invisible branch. Face each other and hold both hands. Shift onto one leg and tip your body slightly forward as the other leg lifts a little behind. You do not need to go very far. The goal is to move together and keep the shape smooth. This pose is like two teammates making one careful seesaw out of balance and breath. Then come back up slowly and try the other side. Come onto hands and knees facing each other. Make your backs flat and strong, like two tables. Now lift one hand and tap your partner's opposite hand in the middle. Place it down carefully and switch sides. Try not to rock too much as you balance. This pose builds steady arms, steady belly muscles, and steady teamwork all at once. Stay on hands and knees facing each other. Stretch one leg back and the opposite arm forward. Now slowly round in and bring your elbow toward your knee. Reach back out again and make the body long. This gives you balance and movement at the same time. It's like drawing a line in, then sending it back out into space with control. Come up to kneeling, facing each other with your knees on the floor. Lift one knee up so one foot plants on the ground in front of you. Now both of you lift the inside hand and give a gentle high five. Keep your body tall and your balance steady as you hold the shape. This pose is simple, but it asks for focus and stillness. Like two explorers pausing to say, "We've got this." Stand wide facing each other and turn your toes out. Bend your knees into a strong goddess squat. Bring your palms or forearms together in the middle and press lightly. Keep your chest lifted and your spine long. Your legs are working, but your teamwork helps you stay steady. It's like two strong bridges meeting in the center and holding the same weight together. Stand side by side facing the same direction. Shift onto one foot and tip your body forward into airplane balance. Stretch the other leg long behind you and open your arms like wings. Now lightly touch one hand with your partner's hand for a tiny point of teamwork. Balance here with long bodies and soft eyes. You are like two gliders flying beside each other through calm, clear air. Turn to face each other and hold hands gently. Shift onto one foot and cross the other ankle over your standing leg above the knee. Sit back a little into the figure 4 shape. Keep your chest lifted and let the hand connection help both of you stay steady. If you wobble, breathe and smile. This pose teaches your body that balance gets stronger when you stay calm and connected. Sit facing each other with your knees bent and your toes touching. Hold each other's hands and lift your feet so the soles press together. Lean back a little and lift your chest. Maybe you keep the knees bent, or maybe you stretch the legs longer. Your bellies work hard to keep you balanced together. It's like two little boats floating on the same wave without drifting apart. Place your hands behind you and your feet on the floor facing each other. Lift your hips into a crab shape. Now one of you reaches an arm up while the other stays steady. Put it down, then switch roles. This pose asks for strength, timing, and teamwork. You are like two bright crabs on the shore, taking turns lifting one shiny claw to the sky. Come back to sit facing each other with your legs crossed. Sit tall and gently bring your foreheads together. Lift your hands off your knees for a moment and hold them hovering beside you or at your heart. Even this small change asks your body to stay balanced and quiet. Stillness can be its own kind of teamwork too. You are like two calm mirrors helping each other stay centered. Stand back to back one last time. Step your feet a little wider and stretch your arms out into a big star shape. Lift your chest and feel how steady you are together after all that balancing. Your bodies are open, strong, and bright. This is your teamwork. Finish grounded from your feet and shining from your fingertips. Hold your star and enjoy how strong balance can feel when you do it together. Amazing job today. If you had fun with us, tap like and subscribe for more yoga adventures. Thanks for balancing with Rumi and Zoey. See you next time.